washing machine on.
Aaron Judge is the American League most valuable player and had one of the greatest seasons in baseball history. To honor his historic season, BigTimeBats.com is proud to release the officially licensed Aaron Judge MVP Bat Collection. The stunning full-size silver chrome bat is limited to only 100 bats. Also available are the traditional maple wood bat and the two-tone high-gloss Extremum bat. Go to BigTimeBats.com now.
This is a BFD Black Friday deal from Optimum, and it's our best deal ever. Get 300 meg fiber internet for as low as $30 a month for 2 years. Find out how you can get up to $300 in Visa prepaid cards with Showtime included for 1 year. Go from 300 meg fiber internet to over $520 in total savings with this BFD from Optimum. Call 8884-OPTIMUM or visit optimum.com/BFD now, because our best deal ever.
Me how, guys?
Get closer and go farther with Optimum. When I think about
Great news. For tonight's special How to Draw episode, we're going to teach you how to draw ANIHILAPE from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. ANIHILAPE is a new and improved fighting type Pokemon. This has been a huge deal for Scarlet and Violet. ANIHILAPE is Primeape's evolved form. This is the third transformation for the Kanto region Pokemon. Hopefully we'll get to see Ash's Primeape evolve into ANIHILAPE. I just hope we get to see his Primeape again.
Did you order that on your phone? No. Yes. Fresh Direct. The freshest and best. For the food obsessed, by the food obsessed. Delivered right to your door.
Have a safe and happy Thanksgiving from CBS 2.
Yes, ma'am. Good. Use something else primer paint on the walls. Did you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I don't want to hear you.
he did not do
Just
that.
a second. I don't want to hear you.
Okay.
If you do it again,
Yes, ma'am.
this large person is going to put you out. Do you understand? Tear wall
That's
down.
his foot.
Did you tear the wall down?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he tear the wall down? Reroute electric and exhaust for washer and dryer. Did you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bust floor. Did you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he do that? Run new drains for the bathroom. Did you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Install toilet and sink. Did you do that?
No, ma'am.
Shower stationary tub. Did you install that?
No, ma'am, I did.
There we are. There's his hand.
Did you do that?
Yes, ma'am. It was framed up.
So it wasn't finished.
No, ma'am.
A bath with a hidden door.
Sliding door that goes
Did
inside.
you do that?
Framed up, but wasn't finished.
Wasn't done. Wasn't finished. Okay. So that was October 28th. And the total cost of these things was $6,750.
Oh, wow.
Now, box.
There he is.
Did you do
That's
that?
how you draw Primeape's new evolved form, ANIHILAPE.
Box gutters, trim around the house, the wood on the porch.
Well,
Like two shades. Did you do that?
Wow.
No, ma'am, I did.
He looks beautiful.
Add the roof back in.
Just like all the other mechanical Pokemon I've drawn, and all the new characters as well.
So the work
I consider one of these guys, I consider 3 of them to be my favorites. Like, my 3 favorites include Skeledirge, Iron Treads, ANIHILAPE. My 4th one would be Iron Moth. Get ready, guys. You can relax. There's more fighters like this coming your way.